Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I hope all of you are in good health. I welcome you in the 7th lecture of the chapter Formulas in Excel 2013. Our today's lecture belong to the practicals in your books, that is practical number 3 and practical number 4. The task given in practical number 3 is Myro Private Limited maintains data on its salespersons in a worksheet as given on the right. List the steps to calculate the commission, 10% of sales amount, the total, average, maximum and minimum of the sales amount and the commission. In this practical, we have to find the commission, that is 10% of sales amount, then total, average, maximum and minimum of both the sales amount and the commission. So let's perform it in a worksheet. In this sheet you can see salesperson number is given, salesperson name is given, sales amount is given. We have to find the commission, that is 10% of sales amount, and then total, average, maximum and minimum of both sales amount and commission. So let's start with the commission. Enter your formula. Commission is 10% of sales amount, means 0.10 multiplication operator, cell reference of your first sales amount, and then press enter. You will get your value. Now with the help of fill handle you can find the rest of the values too. Now let's find the total. Click on the auto sum feature, sum function, correct the range from cell C2 to cell C6, press enter. You will get your total. Again for commission, click auto sum feature, sum function, correct the range from D2 to D6 and press enter. You will get your total amount of commission. Now let's find the average. Auto sum feature, average function, correct the range C2 to C6, press enter, and for commission again click on average function, correct the range, press enter. You will get your average of commission values. Now let's find the maximum. Auto sum feature, max function, range C2 to C6, enter. You will get your maximum amount. And for commission, auto sum feature, max function, correct the range, enter. Commission's maximum value is given. Now let's find minimum. Auto sum feature, min function, correct your range, enter. And same for commission. Auto sum feature, minimum function, correct your range, and after pressing enter you will get your value. Now you are able to find the commission and total, average, maximum and minimum value of sales amount and your commission. Now let's move to your practical number 4. The Cario Computer Stationery Shop maintains its stock using the worksheet given. Write the steps to calculate the total, that is quantity into price, and the grand total sum of E2 to E11 range is given of the value of stock held. So let's perform it in a worksheet. You have to find the total by entering the formula C2 multiplication operator D2, that is first value of your price, and pressing enter you will get your first value. And now with the help of fill handle, find the rest of the values. How you will be able to find the grand total? Click on the auto sum feature, sum function, range is given, press enter, you will get your value. I hope you understand today's lecture. Do more practice at home. Thank you.